all. Today I have an interesting topic for you. So let's get started. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. When do we sing this? Oh, it's rainy season. But I often wonder how the rain happens, and another question comes to my mind. The people and animals and trees use water, but the water never finishes. Do you also want to know the answer? Okay, we shall now find the secret behind it. So, the secret behind it is the same. It is due to water cycle. Do you know what is water cycle? Other like natural cycles, there is carbon cycle, then oxygen cycle, then life cycle, etc. But the water cycle is a repeated chain. It is also known as the hydrological cycle. Do you know? So let's get started with an easy example. When the water is heated, the water vapors go to the sky. When you cover it with a lid, the water vapors stick to the lid and turn into the droplets again. Now, when you take out the lid, it then goes down. So, the water cycle also is like that. So, when the sunlight goes to the water becomes vapor and goes to the sky. It is called evaporation. In cold countries, the snow automatically turn into vapor and go to the sky due to sunlight. It is called sublimation. Now we shall go to the next one. The trees shed their excess water from the stomata. It is also known as the transpiration. Now all the three vapors are going to the sky. But please, before listening this, note that it rains most where there are trees. So we should not cut trees. Now let's go to the next topic. Now all the vapors goes to the sky. After reaching 1 kilometer high, it becomes water droplets again. It is called condensation. Now all the tiny droplets mix with the dust and the gases and form a cloud. Now when they combine to each other and become bigger drops. When the bigger drops get heavy, they fall down, and it is also in the form of rain, snow and hail. It is also known as the precipitation. Now let's go to the next one. Now the water goes down to the soil and becomes groundwater. It is called percolation. The rest water is left that goes on the ground and goes to the water bodies. It is also known as runoff. So the water has again come to its place. So now we know the secret of it, and I shall come with another topic shortly. Bye.